Very good afternoon, Malaysia, and thank you UMT for giving me and the crew the opportunity to actually join this scientific expedition that covers the peninsula of Malaysia. So I am Dr. Melissa, and representing the Bentos team is Mr. Madzan right here behind me, and also Dr. Zainuddin Bacho. Alright, so just to sum it up, for this whole Peninsula Malaysia trip, there are 4 parts of this leg, and currently my team are in leg 3, which is the most challenging as it has the most number of stations and is the longest trip, which is approximate 6 days already. So out of the 43 stations, right now we are located at station 44. So it is around 4:30 p.m. at this time, and we are 47.64 nautical miles from Pulau Langkawi, which is where our stop will be, and its approximate coordinate is 5 degrees 42 minutes and 23 seconds north, and 99 degrees 10 minutes and 14 minutes east. Alright, so what I can say throughout our trip is it has been quite a tiresome one, because it's been around the clock from morning right up to night. There have been odd hours just in order for us to catch up for all the 43 stations. So we are up right up to 2 or even 4 in the morning. It has been very productive in a sense, for our theme is that we had to collect a lot of organisms. So a lot of the sediments that were found was mainly composed of clay and silt. So a lot of the clay and silt supported organisms such as brittle stars, peanut worms, and one of our most interesting finding was a blindless eel-like fish. We just have to verify the name later at the lab. And in fact, this is one of the things we have to do. So apart from our sampling, really, it doesn't just end here. What happens next is that at the lab in UMT, our team there will look into all the sampling things that we've done, such as the microbes, diatoms, etc. So really what our purpose will do is that, one, we have to compile a fundamental study of what we have. In our case, it's particularly the biological sediments, organisms that we found. And then we relate back to the expedition that we did in 2015. So to see a comparison as to whether the composition and abundance of the organisms as well as the environment is the same or not. And also really whether or not there could be any of the organisms found that could be of key species for environmental study in terms of explaining whether or not basically the environment is healthy or not. So really what I can say is that the whole trip has been wonderful, has been great for us. I thank you UMT, because really there needs to be more such studies done for the understanding and awareness for our junior future generation. And it actually gives the opportunity for more other scientists to actually see what we have in the Straits of Malacca. So what I can say right now is that we look forward to, from our sampling work, to be carried out at the lab, and from that stay tuned. But before I end, all I want to say is thank you so much for following us. Thank you so much UMT for this opportunity, and thank you Malaysia for keeping tuned to us. So stay tuned, alright, for further work.